Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can overlay either a blue screen or a green screen on CapCut PC. So the first one is a green screen. I'm just going to add it and put it on top of the video. Then I'm going to select cutout, chroma key, and I'm going to pick the green color. Also going to scale it down and actually put it here. And I'm going to kind of try to make an edit, so I'm just going to copy and paste this person, go to cutout and select auto cutout and put it on top of the earth. I'm also going to go to mask and I'm going to split it like that and kind of feather it out just a little bit, and I'm also going to adjust the opacity as well. Okay, next I am going to add in the blue screen. So add in the blue screen and add it on top of your video. Go to cutout and again chroma key, which is in cutout, color picker, select the blue bit and adjust the strength and adjust the shadow as well. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!